Hi ate, what are you eating? What are you eating? She's trying to talk, guys. I'm gonna make a video. Okay. Tiwa sasa. Sige pa. What are you eating? Are you eating biscuit, Mari? Open mouth, open mouth. Sige lang, sige lang. Sige lang. Gayaw-yaw si ate. Sige lang, eat lang. Say hi. I'm eating biscuit. She's so happy, guys. Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Nagyaw-yaw. Nagyaw-yaw. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. She's trying to talk, guys.